Hi everyone, this is Geeta Sachoni. Welcome to my channel Geeta's Magic. So, welcome to my channel Geeta's Magic. Let's make a healthy version of gulab jamun. There are so many variations to make gulab jamun, like mawa gulab jamun, wheat flour, bread, and so many more. But I will show you the healthy version of gulab jamun, this Sooji Gulab Jamun. So, let's take a pan and put 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 cup of milk, whatever your measurement taking, that you take 1 is milk and half of that is suji. So let's take 1 boil to the milk. After that add half cup of suji because I am making less quantity. If you are making more quantity, you can double of the measurement. Now stir and continue stir because suji should not be stick in the pan like this. Continue stir and within a 5 minutes see suji will be thickened and like this dough form till we continue stir because suji should not be stick at the bottom, and see at the end suji will release the bottom of the pan, and at that stage we will have to stop cooking and off the gas. Now grease 1 plate and put the suji dough on it and let it be cool. After that we will going to add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well. Mix the dough until it becomes smooth and make the gulab jamun. Any shape of gulab jamun you can make. Today I am going to make cylinder shape. Oval shape you can rub very nicely on your palm and take small balls and then make oval shape like this, and it should be crackless. So all gulab jamun are ready. Now let's go for the fry process. So I put the pan and heat up the oil, but put very less temperature so that gulab jamun set in the bottom and bubbles should be come from that. First you should not flame high, so at this stage we have to continue stir as I put the flame little bit high. So continue flip the gulab jamun in the pan so that the color should be frequent. See, first they set up in the bottom, but after that they leave the pan. It should not be stick at the bottom. As you put gulab jamun for fry, first you should not touch it because it should be set the temperature, and after that they become floating in the oil. On that stage you have to continue stir and make this golden brown color till you fry up to this color. Okay, got it? So we remove from the oil because this color is perfect color, and now we will fry second batch. Same as I earlier explained, that first gulab jamun will set up in the bottom and we don't touch it up till they come up, and then continue stir and like this. Again second batch color of gulab jamun is same as first one. So now we will make chashni. So in pan I will put 1 glass of water and half glass of sugar because we are making sugar syrup for the gulab jamun. This sugar syrup should be only sticky, not up to strand. We don't need a very thick chashni. We will only take a 2 or 3 boils of sugar up to melted in the water. See, and we have to continue stir. Now here I am going to show you one tip, that I will put 1 tablespoon of milk in the sugar syrup, so that now let you see, after adding the 1 tablespoon of milk, see the dot of chashni, dot of sugar come up, and see how much the dirty foam is removing from this. And this step is very important for the chashni, whatever you are making. If you are making a sharbat, a rose sharbat also, then also you have to make like this chashni. Okay, so see the clarity of the chashni is a transparent form. And now we will add gulab jamun in the warm chashni, so that they set up and be smooth. And like this I will put it up to 1 or 2 hours, and after that our gulab jamun are ready. So enjoy.